Eating one egg a day might seem like a simple habit, but the benefits it brings to your overall health and well-being are truly remarkable. Packed with essential nutrients, eggs have long held a place in traditional diets around the world. Yet, for many people, questions remain about whether eating eggs daily is healthy. Let's explore why adding just one egg to your daily diet can make a meaningful difference for your body and mind. Eggs are often called nature's multivitamin, and for good reason. Each egg contains a rich mix of high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. At the heart of every egg is a complete protein profile, providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair, immune function, and tissue growth. This makes eggs an excellent choice for people of all ages, from growing children to active adults and older individuals looking to maintain muscle mass. Beyond protein, eggs are a powerhouse of micronutrients. They're one of the best natural sources of vitamin B12, which is vital for nerve health and the production of red blood cells. Eggs also contain riboflavin, vitamin D, and vitamin A, supporting everything from your energy levels to strong bones and healthy vision. Just one egg can provide up to 15% of your daily vitamin B2 and about 20% of your recommended vitamin D intake, a crucial nutrient that many people lack, especially those with limited sun exposure. A standout nutrient found in eggs is choline, a substance essential for brain health. Choline plays a key role in memory, mood regulation, and cognitive development, which is especially important for pregnant women and young children. Studies have shown that diets rich in choline can support lifelong brain health, and eggs remain one of the most accessible and efficient ways to get this nutrient. Contrary to past concerns, research now shows that for most people, eating an egg a day does not significantly raise cholesterol levels or heart disease risk. Eggs contain dietary cholesterol, but they also have unsaturated fats and compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help lower inflammation and support eye health. These antioxidants are known to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, helping to keep your eyes healthy as you age. Eggs are also incredibly filling, making them a great choice for weight management. Starting your day with an egg-based breakfast can help curb hunger, reduce snacking, and keep you satisfied longer compared to high-carbohydrate alternatives. This effect comes from the high protein content, which slows digestion and helps regulate the hormones involved in appetite. On top of their nutritional value, eggs are affordable, versatile, and easy to prepare. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, poached, or baked, eggs fit seamlessly into almost any meal. They can be enjoyed on their own or as part of salads, sandwiches, and countless savory dishes, helping you maintain a balanced diet without breaking the bank. For those concerned about sustainability, eggs also have a relatively low environmental footprint compared to many animal-based protein sources. Choosing eggs from local farms or free-range sources can further support ethical practices in local communities. Of course, it's important to eat eggs as part of a varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other protein sources. But for most healthy individuals, one egg a day is a safe, nutritious, and delicious way to support overall health. So the next time you open your fridge, remember that a simple egg could be one of the best choices you make for your well-being each day.